In this class we use rotation. Let's select the rotation tool. Same as it is whatever we got previously. The same pop-up box is displayed here. Select the yes. Again in rotation definition box there are some options are there. Axis, angle, axis to element, 3 points. So here we are selecting axis and angle. So in our options angle and axis and angle are there. So here I am selecting angle 45. It is a 45 is there. So axis I have to select. So here I am selecting Z axis. So if I select Z axis, see how it's rotating along the Z axis with 45 degrees angle. It is rotating. Okay, let's see. Yes, axis. Here I am selecting now it's Y axis. See how it is rotating downwards. Undo. This is the option, first option, axis and angle. Now let's select axis with 2 elements. Here it is axis. I am selecting again Z axis. Here he is asking 2 elements. First element, and I am selecting this is the second element. So see how it is rotated. Okay, this is the option, another option. Again undo. Okay, now select again rotation. Yes, 3 points here. First point here it is first point. Second point here we can create second point 250 and Z axis 250. Okay, see here this is the first point and it is a. Now let's select the third point. Here we can select from this. Yes, here we can select from the object also. So this point. See how the object is rotated with 3 point options. Select the OK. Okay, this is the option. These are the options we have in rotation definition. Okay, axis, angle, axis to elements, 3 points. We have done with these 3 options. This is the rotation option. Done. Thanks for watching CATTECH tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.